How are you doing, folks? I know I'm happy. Now let me tell you how to stay happy. Stay happy. I really do have a problem. Okay, whatever. Today's subject is, yes, it's right, it's the evil of all evil. How to wake up early. How to wake up early. That's right. Bah. It's what you make it. Always try to give. Don't ever take it. Life is but a dream. It's what you make it. Always try to give. Welcome back, people, and let's discuss how to wake up early. Because you want to become an early riser, then you have to watch this video to become an early riser. I'm such a great storyteller. Aren't I? Aren't I? Well, here is the pen. Because we will write shit down again today. You also better take notes, because it will help you remember all this stuff I'm saying, or you can already, of course, replay this video a couple of times. Yeah. Okay. How to wake up early. If you saw my other video, my video earlier this week about setting schedules, I hear a sound. Is there someone coming? I don't know. Alright. Nobody's getting in here. Oh, this is so exciting, isn't it? Who thought this video was this dense? Alright, enough with whispering. How to wake up early. Yeah. You know, I will start with this. Set schedules. If you don't know how to do this, watch my other video earlier uploaded this week. I already said this. Whatever. But hey, this will also work for this. If you set your whole day in the way I discussed, like blah blah blah, with times and all, you can also write down your time of going to sleep. And yeah, why is that at 10 p.m. at 2200 hours in military terms? And not at 12 a.m. Well, let me explain you this, people. It's so much better to go to bed a little bit more early instead of going to bed late. Because if you go to bed early, that means you're already working to it on an earlier stage of the day, right? So you probably shut down your computer a little bit earlier because you have to set up your schedule. You would notice if you watch my other video. I mean, come on. And where was I going? Hi. That's my girlfriend.
What are you doing?
Okay. Let's return to the story of it all. Yeah, going to sleep. It's much better to go to bed a little bit more early than to go to bed late, because, like I already said just a couple of seconds ago, if you are going to bed a little bit more early, your brain has already this head start with rest, you know. So if you're going to bed at 10 p.m. and you really want to have your 6 hours of sleep, if you really are that way, if you want 8 hours of sleep, then you're still early. It's early enough. 8 hours of sleep is still 6 a.m. So it's early enough. You're doing great, man. But if you're a 6 hour sleeper, then you will wake up at this marvelous time that I will write down now. If you don't already have done the math. That's right, it's 4 a.m. And that's really early, right? I really need to regroup here. Couple of moments. I'm back again, people. Sorry for this in between part. But we're back, and where was I? Yeah. You will wake up at 4 a.m. That's really, really freaking early, you're not, huh? And you have had enough sleep. And this is also very important, because you really do want to get enough sleep. You really don't want to overstress this kind of thing, you know. Let me be honest here. You always hear all these people talking about that stuff of 24/7, hustle hard, and blah 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 blah. Yeah, in a certain degree, I believe in this kind of mindset, but it shouldn't be. It shouldn't come at a cost. You know, if you're not getting enough sleep, if you're just sleeping for like 4 hours, then you're not doing it right, man. Your body will catch up, and you will get ill eventually, or getting a burnout, and then you cannot hustle hard and go 24/7, 365 every time, every minute, every hour. So let me stress that point very, very hard, that you really need to get enough sleep. So we already discussed the setting schedules. Going to sleep a little bit more early is better than going to bed late. And this really shouldn't be a problem for you. If you here I go again, watch the other video about making schedules instead of doing to-do lists. You will have enough time to do everything on a day and go to bed a little bit early to get enough rest. Yes. So if you haven't watched it by now already, I mean, come on, I just mentioned this video like 3 times. Go watch it after this video. You will understand everything a lot more better. It's a lot better. And that's, yeah. Oh, that's right. Before I forget. What do you do when you first get up at 4 a.m. if you are a 6-hour sleeper? Well, let me say this, the world is a lot different at this time of the day. It's a lot more quiet, it's much more peaceful, and I really like it. And if you suck this moment in, you will be addicted and in getting up early just like that in a second. When you wake up at 4 a.m., no matter how tired you are, just jump underneath the shower immediately. Just do it. Go take a shower, get dressed, and what you then want to do is go outside with your bare feet, no matter what kind of weather it is, and suck in the fresh air of this time. It's great. It's so relaxed. It really is. And by doing this, you will already get this crazy kickstart of your day. You're ready for every element that comes on your way and on that day. And it really helps you a lot. And especially in the beginning, I know I had this problem. I don't really know if it's a problem, but I got my afternoon crash when I first started, and it happens around 1 p.m. or 4 p.m. and you really need to listen to that feeling. You know, if you really want to take a nap, just take a nap. Don't feel bad about it. Just put it in your schedule already and just sleep for 30 minutes, 15 minutes. It's enough, and then you will wake up again feeling energized. Or if you have the other option of a lot of coffee in your house, you can also spend your day drinking a lot of coffee. I don't really know if this is very good for your health though, but hey, if it's your thing, then do your thing, man. Do your thing. If it works for you, then just do it. And then with that being said, I think I have discussed it all for this subject. So, see you next time, folks. Bye. It's what you make it. Always try to give.